I was recently at a shopping mall in Helsinki, Finland. It was late and most of the shops were closed. As I walked past a closed cafe, I saw something unusual. A small white robot was moving around silently. It was cleaning the floor. I was fascinated. The robot moved effortlessly, navigating around obstacles with ease. There was no loud motor, no human operator. It was just quietly doing its job. This encounter got me thinking about the future of work. Are robots coming for our jobs? Or can they free us from mundane tasks and create new opportunities? This experience in Finland wasn't just about a cleaning robot. It was a glimpse into a future where technology transforms our everyday lives. These cleaning robots are more than just automated vacuum cleaners. They are powered by sophisticated technology, including artificial intelligence. This allows them to understand their environment and make decisions on their own. One key technology is SLAM, or Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. It allows the robot to create a map of its surroundings and track its location in real time. Think of it like the robot having its own internal GPS system. Another important technology is AI vision. Cameras and sensors allow the robot to see obstacles and avoid them. It can differentiate between a wall and a person, a chair and a trash can. These technologies work together to ensure the robots can clean effectively and safely without human intervention. Cleaning robots are not just limited to shopping malls in Finland. They are being used in a variety of settings, including hospitals. Robots can help disinfect floors and surfaces, reducing the spread of infections. This is especially important in healthcare settings. Offices. Robots can clean large office spaces overnight, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for employees. Airports. Robots can clean vast terminal floors, keeping them spotless for travelers. The use of cleaning robots is increasing in Finland and across the globe. They offer a cost-effective and efficient way to maintain cleanliness in various public and private spaces. Finland's embrace of robots for cleaning stands in stark contrast to countries like India. You see, in India, cleaning is often seen as a low-wage manual job. Millions of people are employed as cleaners, often working in, challenging conditions. While Finland focuses on automation, India relies heavily on human labor. This difference really highlights the varying approaches to technological advancement and their social and economic implications. It also raises some important questions about the future of work in a world increasingly driven by automation. Will robots displace human workers? Or can they actually create new opportunities? The rise of robots doesn't necessarily mean the end of human jobs. In fact, it could lead to the creation of entirely new roles. For instance, robots need to be monitored, maintained, and repaired. And that creates a demand for skilled technicians and engineers. Someone also needs to program and train these robots, analyze their data, and ensure they function correctly. These aren't low-skill jobs, not at all. They require education, training, and technical expertise. The transition to a more automated future might mean reskilling and upskilling the workforce, sure. But it also presents opportunities for new, higher-paying jobs in the technology sector. So it's not all about what robots take away. It's also about what they can bring to the table. The increasing use of robots raises ethical concerns, particularly about job displacement. When robots take over tasks previously done by humans, it can lead to unemployment and even social unrest. That's why it's so important to address these concerns proactively. Governments and businesses need to invest in retraining programs to help displaced workers acquire new skills. The goal shouldn't be to stop technological progress. No. Instead, we need to find ways to ensure that everyone benefits from it. This involves creating social safety nets, promoting education and skills development, and fostering a fairer distribution of the benefits of automation. It's about balancing progress with people, really. The sight of a robot quietly cleaning a mall in Finland is, well, a powerful reminder of the transformative potential of technology. Robots aren't just futuristic fantasies anymore. They are becoming a part of our everyday lives. In the future, we can expect to see robots playing an even greater role in our cities. They'll clean our streets, collect our garbage, and even deliver our packages. And, this will free up human workers to focus on more complex and rewarding tasks. The future isn't about robots replacing humans. It's about humans and robots working together to create a smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable world for everyone.